welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing my slime collection, obviously. So let's get started. So first, there's two disclaimers. So one disclaimer is, I know it says Shopkins on it because I used to keep my Shopkins in here. And the second disclaimer is, sorry if you hear background noise, it's under storm soon, so let's get started. So the first one that I pull out is this one. This one I call Cotton Candy Slime. And it's really pretty, and yeah, it is made with clear slime, clear glue, but yeah. It is pokey. Then we are going to do a series which is called Confetti Series. So the first one in the series is this one, and this one is called White Confetti, and it's really pretty, and yeah. I got like confetti paint at Michael's. And then the next one that we have in the series is this gold confetti, which is so pretty. And then the next one in the series is, hold on. Okay. The next one in the series is this one. This one is called Pink Cotton Candy Confetti. It is not cotton candy slime, but it looks like cotton candy, so it's called Cotton Candy Confetti. Then the next one I'm not going to pull out because it is messy, but it is this turquoise-ish one right here that I'm poking right now. And then we have another clear one. So this one was my very first clear one. And the glue that I used wasn't really that good. It's not really that pokey, so yeah. And then the next one we have is called Downy Slime, but this one is called Frosting Slime. And there's another batch of it right here. I just have them in two separate things because it looks small, but it's not when it's in the container. And then this one I failed at. It is metallic clear slime. And I made it with eyeshadow because I wanted to see what it looked like. And then we have another metallic one. I'm also going to start a series with it. So yeah. There's that one. So anyways guys, that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and let me know down in the comment section. Do you guys collect slime? Or are you starting to collect slime? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.